So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, if you can see the application that you're having a problem with and it's currently open, then you want to click on it and then click on End Task. Make sure that it's been closed. Next, you want to find the application, you want to right click on it and then click on Run as Admin. And then click on Yes. The application should now start. For the second method, go to search and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. You want to uninstall the application and then just reinstall it again. So click on the three dots, uninstall, then you want to uninstall it. Then you just want to reinstall it again. See if that works. For the last method, go to search and type in Check for Updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Check for Updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. Now you want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.